Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Michael Mantell with another Family Law Matters with Bonnie Rabinovich Mantell, who's the owner and managing partner of the Primus Family Law Group. Hi, Bonnie.
Hi, Michael. How are you doing today?
Doing well, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Good, good. I'm glad to hear that. Bonnie, it seems lately, I don't know about lately, but it seems more recently that people are beginning to turn more and more away from litigation in court and more to trying to mediate their divorce and separation issues. Are you seeing that as well?
I am. More people are realizing that litigation involves a lot of stress, anxiety, other people making your decisions for you, and cost. A lot
Cost.
more cost than is usually in mediation.
Yeah. And so what is the effectiveness, the success rate? How many cases actually find that going to mediation was more beneficial than litigating?
Michael, it's interesting, but a large part of my practice is mediation. And I will tell you that for the last, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 years, I've done hundreds of mediations. And I have only not settled as of yesterday, where I had another mediation that settled, six, six.
Six
So,
cases. Well,
yeah,
let me say this again. Only six cases out of hundreds over more than a handful of years. Only six have not
yep,
set.
yep. It's a really important ability to see a large picture of what's going on in these people's lives. And I think in mediation, when you're working closely with both sides and you're a neutral, because that's what a mediator is in these situations, you're not advocating for a particular position. You're advocating for the resolution of the case. And what's it going to take to get there, and how to make parties and families realize that you've got a long way to go still being together. You might as well try to resolve your issues where everybody has to move the needle. I mean, that's pretty much how I start all of my mediations is today we're moving from the needle.
You understand that divorce is the end of a marriage. It's
Mm-hmm.
not the end of the client's world or life. And that's why you focus on closure, not revenge. And so, of years worth of mediation, I'm just struck by this. Only six have not settled. That's remarkable. I wish medication rates were that effective.
Well, it's also, I am often appointed by the judges in our wonderful community to help parties settle their cases. It's called a pro tem settlement judge, and there's a bunch of us attorneys who volunteer their time to try to help these people settle their cases. And that also gives people get to know that I am reasonable. I will try to get people to see what the other side is thinking and why this issue means so much to them, and what can we do to allay that while we still give this issue, which means so much to you. It really is a give and take that I enjoy a lot, and I would love to help as many families as I can to do that.
Lovely. If people have questions about this mediation process and aim for that kind of a success rate, how can they be in touch with you?
They can reach me directly, 619-574-8000, and you will be put on my calendar to see if your case is ripe for mediation help. And you can reach out to us online at www.primusfamilylaw.com. And there is a form you can fill out, and there's a live chat agent that you can speak to who will also direct you to get on my calendar for a free 30-minute telephone or Zoom consultation.